Looking for the best endoscope cameras? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a mechanic, or a professional, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 endoscope cameras that offer excellent performance, durability, and high-quality imaging. Let's dive in and find the perfect tool for your needs. Let's get started. Item number 5. Introducing the INSKAM endoscope camera, the perfect tool for all your inspection needs. Featuring a high-resolution 1080p HD camera, it captures clear images even in tight spaces. With an IP67 waterproof rating, it's ideal for underwater use. The 4.3-inch IPS screen ensures vibrant visuals, while the 8mm lens reaches hard-to-access areas. Enjoy up to 5 hours of battery life with its 2000 mAh built-in battery. Plus, its ergonomic design and included accessories make it versatile for various applications like car inspections and pipeline maintenance. Item number 4. The P200 Borescope camera is a top choice for precise inspections. It features a 4.3-inch TFT LCD screen and delivers stunning 1920 1080 resolution for clear visuals. With an 8mm camera diameter and a 7° horizontal viewing angle, it offers excellent flexibility in tight spaces. Its focal distance ranges from 4 cm to 15 cm, making it versatile for various applications. The IP67 waterproof rating ensures reliable performance even in wet conditions, while the 2600 mAh lithium battery provides hours of uninterrupted use. Item number 3. The DXD2 articulating borescope camera offers unmatched flexibility with its rotating probe tip, allowing you to view tight spaces from all angles without effort. The upgraded 5-inch screen delivers high-definition detailed images and supports split-screen viewing for easy inspection. With a focal range of 215 cm, it captures clear visuals even from 1 cm to 100 cm. The 5FT semi-rigid gooseneck cable holds its shape, and included accessories like a hook and magnet enhance efficiency. Shoot in both picture and video modes with automatic exposure control for optimal clarity. Item number 2. The Pipeline Inspection Camera features a 4.3-inch color TFT LCD screen for clear, vibrant images and includes a 16GB micro SD card for recording and storing your findings. With a waterproof 0.7 17mm camera, it works up to 65.6 feet 20 meter underwater, and its 6 LED lights provide excellent illumination. The 164 feet 50 meter cable and handy reel make it perfect for hard-to-reach areas, while the 8500 mAh lithium battery supports up to 14 hours of continuous use. Ideal for plumbers, contractors, and inspectors in various industries. Item number 1. This 2-megapixel endoscope camera features a 5-inch IPS screen with a 1280 by 720 resolution, offering clear and vibrant images. It supports 1920 by 1080 JPG image resolution and 1280 by 720 AVI video recording. With a 7° viewing angle and a 2 to 10 cm depth of field, the camera is perfect for close inspections. Its IP67 waterproof rating ensures reliable performance in wet conditions. The 8.5mm probe diameter, 8 LEDs, and 2000 mAh battery provide excellent visibility and up to 3 hours of working time.